everybody, welcome back. Thanks for joining me today. So, second part of my project to go along with my last video, I am now doing the shelf. So this again is the Ikea Lack shelf, L-A-C-K. The base I have just painted black, taped off the bottom and the sides, or that side. For the base tonight, I'm going to be going back to the Stuart Semple Black 3.0, to which I've mixed just a little bit of the Stuart Semple metallic colors into. And then I've got a mix of greens and whites. So first we are going to start pearl green. And then I've got some vermilion green. And then we've got permanent green light, which I also mixed in quite a bit of yellowish green into. And then I've got titanium white. And we're going to finish it off with this green gold mix. May actually throw a little bit more of the pearl in there. All right. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I don't even know if I really want to touch very much of this. No, what's happening is just gorgeous. Oh. Oh, I love it. I don't want to touch it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, I love it. And that pearl in there, oh my God. Oh, and the lacing that's starting to happen. It's gorgeous. Oh, yes. Oh, thank you. Oh, I love it. I think she'll be thrilled with this one as well. This is absolutely gorgeous, and you can certainly see the gold in the green and the pearl. Oh, and then the bit of metallic in the back. It's going to be just absolutely stunning when it's done with a coat of crystal resin on top. Oh, I can't wait. Can't wait, can't wait. See them when they're completely done and dried. And the other one, the big piece, is drying just beautifully. I couldn't be happier with both of them. I love it. I'll take you down for a close-up. Oh, you guys, I couldn't be happier with how this has turned out. Oh, I'll try and get can you see the gold in that green? Oh, hang on. You'll be able to see the metallic better once it dries and I have the resin on it. But oh my God, I'm so happy with this, you guys. This turned out amazing. I would love to hear what you think. As always, please make sure you're subscribed, guys. I'm still on that road to 1,000. Please help me get there. Best way to help me, subscribe, like, comment, share. Much appreciated, guys. Leave me your thoughts below and we'll see you back on the next video. Have a great day, everybody.